Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to transfer money to Axie account. Firstly, visit the Axie Money Transfer website or open the application and log in or create an account if you don't have one. Next, select the send money or transfer option and choose the currencies for the transaction. Enter the amount you want to send and provide the recipient's details, including their Axie account information. Then select your payment method, such as a bank transfer or debit card, and enter the necessary payment information. Review all the details, including fees and exchange rates, and confirm the transfer. Once submitted, you should receive a confirmation email or notification, and you can track the transfer status through the app or website. If you encounter any issues, you can feel free to ask for assistance. Allow the system to process your information. The transfer should be successful within 1 or 2 business days. And this is how you transfer money to Axie account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.